Hindi ndanyitire marua ma Mwathani ati ni kunjerera tuike mugeni wakwa utuko cio wothe nie ndionire toro ndararire ndigwite njetereire Mwathani nacio ngoma njuru ngoro-ini yakwa nicioranagia tukorana kũ tondu Mwathani ni aratuingata umai cikiruturwo oi igika ikiumaga.
Hi people of God, kigo kia muwe mwira ndo arathime tutago mutungatiri Jeff ni mathaa ma kahwaini kwenda tumairio uguo nikio maybe video na tari very clear no muthu ndirenda guka kuria andu atiriri mahoere ndugatene ya Ngai itagwo Nyambere. It's a woman of God that has really touched the lives of many through her music ministry. Definitely ni aragerera through mahinda marito na mahinda maya aragerera ni murona ti mahuthu. I think ni muonaga clip kau na ni muonete interview no yothe at length no ikirwo ni Muna Njomo. And of the last few years we know her health has not been very good. Najua kuna watu wengi sana wanasema hii ni mambo ya vile siku hizi watu wanafanya kwa Facebook, kwa YouTube, kwa TikTok, ni mambo ya kujaribu kuskamu watu. I think a lot of us can vouch for Nyambere. Kuga is a woman of God, somebody that fears God. Ndigwiciria haha kinyite miaka ino yake ni miaka ya gukonia andu. Ndigwiciria kumagia na haria marutanitie na Ngai no akorwo ena mathaa na mahinda ma gwiciria no oke mtandao-ini okere athakire andu. I don't think she's that kind of caliber. No, uni mutumia utugatite ni mutu wendete Ngai, ni mundu witigirite Ngai, and I think unfortunately the condition that she's having inafikanga hapo na unfortunately if it comes it is a condition that you need a lot of support. Sasa kwa sisi ambaye tunapenda Mungu na tunapenda maombi, I think is to pray for her, to support her, and that Mungu ataendelea kumkumbuka and that she can be offered the help and the need that she needs. Nigetha maundu maikare wega. Of course she's not a very young woman, she's of good age, so tunashukuru Mungu, and we have seen how she has worked with God ndani ya her music ministry. So didn't you not like kuina kuu? Beautiful. Kuina guthaka kuratuma we mwenyewe na mundu ucio ndai hau hatire na keyboard, hatire na guitar, hatire na saxophone, hatire na ki, ni thauti mugambo authentic. Itira cikagirwo synthesis ya gu synthesize ote nigetha ati mugambo ucio ate ume. Oraigwa rwimbo mundu ucio arakuinira hau live hau togwinira hau mena Muna. Ukaigwa ni rwimbo rurakurathima na ni mundu thauti irauma naturally ya kugatha Ngai na ya kwambararia Ngai. Riu a lot of people are saying the dementia ikikite in, nerariganirwo muno, ndarahota kuririkana, ndarahota ku understand all sort of things. But what is important is to pray for this woman of God, to pray for this servant of God. Mirago ehigoke ahote kwambia kugia na understanding, ahote kugia na uteithio uria angihe uteithio nigetha at least muturire wake ukorwo wi sawa. So but here idea people want to kwanza kusema she's coming, she's doing this, she's doing this, dani ariganire, maundu maria mangi ni ariganirwo, no dani ariganirwo mbeca namba yake ya M-Pesa. Come on guys, come on. Mutumia uyu ti mutumia wa gwiciria ati no kiambirie kwananga andu kana kugia andu kana kunyarira andu kimeciria kana kibesa kana ki thiini wa TikTok na Facebook na YouTube. No, Nyambere is not like that. This is a woman that loves God, the woman that fears God, women that would not want okati adu abiria kuhenia adu ati daraigua ati dareka ati daranyitisa darashikanisha. No, she's not like that. I don't know about you, kana kwena mundu hau hii no mugifagite na family. That one I cannot vouch for. Tondu thiku cia family kana ciana na andu na arata ni magibangaga maundu na mugagibanga tuthii tugi o kuhana nigetha tugerie gwika no That is not what I'm saying. What I'm saying, I'm talking about this woman of God herself. I personally do not believe. I do not think. No, people surrounding her, I cannot vouch for. I don't know. Because nowadays people can do anything. No, personally, I've watched the entire video and I think Muna did a fantastic job of, talking to this woman of God and getting her to bring out the best of her. And so the only thing that we can do is to celebrate God and to thank God because of her life. To continue to stand with her, to continue to pray for her. Where I do get guy. Support, not only through prayer, but also through finances, through other means. Because that is what her calling is all about. Ministration through music. Gitera meshiria maku, maitho maku, kanua gaku, matu maku, nigetha indo iria uriguaga no kuona no karia igakoragwo nĩ Ngai ũratheruka thĩinĩ waku. Mũrarĩ wega arĩa mũrathiĩ toro na mũkĩre wega na mũtindie wega arĩa mwĩna mũthenya na arĩa nĩ mũthama hwainĩ tani mũgĩe na hwainĩ mwega. Tũguo mũtungatĩri Jeff nĩtũkuonana in my next video. Mũtikarigana no subscribe thĩinĩ wa Kiugo kĩa Muoyo. Tikarigana no follow thĩinĩ wa Facebook kana thĩinĩ wa TikTok. Na Ngai tu nĩ kũmũrathima. Shalom.